Have you managed to lock yourself out of your phone? Don't panic. We've all been there before and will probably be there again at some point. In this video, we're going to show you how to unlock Android phone without password by using Google Find My Device and DroidKit. Please keep watching. Method 1. Unlock Android screen lock with Google Find My Device. First, go to Google Find My Device on your computer and sign in using the Google account associated with your locked Android smartphone. Then you will see a page like this. Each feature has detailed description. Choose Erase Device and keep clicking it. Now, you need to choose your Google account again and input your password. After that, it will automatically jump to the confirmation page. You just need to click Erase. Then, your device will be erased. After you setting up your phone, you can completely access to your phone without screen lock. Method 2, we are gonna show you how to unlock Android screen lock with DroidKit. Run Imobi DroidKit on PC, then connect your Android device to computer with a USB cable and click Start to prepare device configuration file. After it is prepared, click Remove Now. Select the brand of your device, and next, follow the 6 steps. Press and hold volume down and power buttons at the same time. After screen light off, press and hold volume up and power buttons. Release all when logo appears. When you get in recovery mode, please select Wipe Data and Factory Reset, to then choose Factory Data Reset. Last, choose Reboot System now. Screen unlock process will be completed soon. When you remove screen lock successfully, you just need to set up your phone and done. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips and leave your comment if you have any question.